In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create sales forecasting dashboard in Monday.com. A sales forecasting dashboard helps you estimate future revenue by organizing your deals into one clear view. It gives you better visibility into deal value, projected revenue, pipeline stages, and overall progress, which makes it much easier to plan ahead and track performance. First, log into your Monday.com account and make sure the board you want to use is already set up. Before building the dashboard, confirm that your board includes a forecast formula column, since that will be important for calculating projected revenue accurately. Once your board is ready, click the plus icon to add something new, then choose Dashboard. Rename it to Forecast Dashboard. This is simply the workspace where your sales data will be summarized visually, so giving it a clear name makes it easier to find later. Then click Create Dashboard. Next, connect your boards and select the Deals board for this example, then click Done. Connecting the board allows the dashboard to pull live data directly from your sales pipeline. Now start adding widgets. Add a numbers widget and rename it to Total Deal Value. This widget is useful for showing a quick summary metric at a glance. Add a filter, choose the Deals board, select the Deal Value column, and set the condition to Is Not Empty. Then save the filters. This ensures the widget only counts records that actually contain deal values. Add another numbers widget and rename it to Revenue Forecast. Again, add a filter, select the Deals board, choose the Forecast Revenue column, and set it to Is Not Empty. Then save the filters. This gives you a clean total for forecasted revenue based only on populated entries. After that, add another widget and choose Chart. Rename it to Deals by Stages. This widget helps you visualize how opportunities are distributed throughout your pipeline. Add filters, select Deals, choose Status, set it to Is Not Empty, and save. Then add another filter, select Stage, and include Won, New, Proposal, Negotiation, Lost, and Discovery. Save the filters once again. This creates a clearer view of your active and completed pipeline stages. Finally, add the last widget and choose Battery. The Battery widget is helpful for showing progress toward a target in a very visual way. Depending on your needs, you can also use your dashboard structure to focus on forecast views, such as Forecast by Sales Rep, Forecast by Month, or Forecast by Region. Those views help you understand who is contributing to revenue, when revenue is expected to close, and where your strongest opportunities are coming from. And that's how to create a sales forecasting dashboard in Monday.com. Thank you for watching, and subscribe for more.